Good days to Dr. Yun. My name is Chong Miao Fang and my partner is Lok Jun Wei. Our mini project is entitled as a rotating and oscillating 3D pyramid. We will create a pyramid that rotates along the z-axis and oscillate at an independent frequency, where the pyramid will oscillate based on the changing of its radius. In this project, some of the Python library are being used by us. The first one is the NumPy library. It is the numerical computing library. And the second one is PyPlot from Matplotlib. It is used to create the graph. And the Poly 3D collection and Line 3D collection from the MPL toolkits are used to create the three-dimensional plotting. The fun animation is used to create the animated plots of Matplotlib, and the display modules from IPython is used to display the HTML of the graph. And finally, the percentage matplotlib notebook enable us to interact with the plotting in Jupyter notebook. Hence, we can navigate the figure by using our mouse. The first step of this project is to set up the figure and axis and initializing the plot. So the new figure is created using the code of plot.figure. The add subplot method is used to add the 3D subplot to the figure. So in the add subplot code, the 111 is the shorthand to create a 1 times 1 grid of subplots. The x, y, and z axes are created using the code of ax.set. And from this code, we can see that the limits for x-axis and y-axis of the graph is set from negative 1.75 to 1.75, and the z-axis is set from 0 to 2. And to initialize the plot, an empty list named lines are created that represent the lines of plot. The as.plot function return a list of line objects, but since we only interest in the first line object in the list, so we access it using 0. And the line2 code created an additional line plot with no data initially. The animation code are then created in the following step, is that add the data point to the visualization. The second step in this project is to generate the 3D pyramid. So the length of the pyramid is set as 1 unit and the height of it is set as 2 units. The base of the pyramid is placed at the XY plane and its peak is placed at the point of 002. So first, the r represent the radial coordinate of the point is set as square root of 2. The P0, P1, P2, and P3 represent the 4 points at the base of the pyramid. The cylindrical coordinate of them are calculated using the r value and their specific angle as shown by the formula of MP array r times MP dot cos and the angle, and the r times MP dot sin with the angle. And the z coordinate of those points are set as 0. The P4 point is the peak of pyramid and set at the 002. And next, the ax.plot xyz code is created to draw the base of the pyramid and indicated by the black lines in the figure. The lines are plotted from P0 to P4 and then back to P0 to form a square as the base of pyramid. The as.plot s1 y1 z1 and also s2 y2 z2 are to draw the edge of the pyramid. So in the figure, we can see the blue line is extend from P0 to P4 to P2, while the red line is extend from P3 to P4 to P1. So this method is the simplest way for us to generate a pyramid, which that we divided into the three parts, which is the base of the pyramid and the edges of the pyramid. And then next, the origin of the pyramid is set at 000 and marked as the red dot. And the black line, which extends from the origin to the peak of pyramid, represents the height of pyramid. And next, I will pass to Jun Wei to explain about the creation of rotating and oscillating code for the pyramid.